Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Navigating a market is one of the most practical and fun ways to practice your English. Whether you are shopping for fresh groceries, bargaining for the best price, or just enjoying the vibrant atmosphere, these 300 sentences will help you communicate clearly and confidently with vendors and fellow shoppers. Greetings and starting to shop. Good morning, what are the freshest items you have today? Excuse me, could you tell me where I can find the local honey? Hello, I am just looking around for now, thank you. Do you have a basket I can use while I shop? The market is very busy and lively this morning. What time do you usually close your stall in the evening? I am looking for a specific type of organic spice. Is everything here sourced from local farmers? I love the variety of products available in this market. Can you please point me toward the vegetable section? It is such a beautiful day to do some shopping. Do you have a map of the different stalls here? I am searching for some handmade crafts for my home. Please let me know if you get any fresh arrivals. I am very happy to support local businesses today. Asking about products and prices. How much does 1 kilogram of these tomatoes cost? That price seems a bit high. Can you offer a discount? Are these apples sweet or a little bit sour? Could I please taste a small piece before I buy? Do you sell your produce by weight or by piece? This mango looks perfectly ripe and delicious. I would like 3 bunches of fresh spinach, please. Do you have any fresh herbs like basil or cilantro? Is this honey purely organic and raw? How long will these berries stay fresh in the fridge? I am looking for something that is in season right now. Are these eggs from free-range chickens? Please pick the firmest ones for my shopping bag. I am interested in buying in bulk for a discount. Does this stall accept digital payments or just cash? Bargaining and making decisions. Is that the best price you can give me today? I am a regular customer, can I get a better deal? If I buy 5 kilograms, will you lower the price? I think I will compare prices at another stall first. That is a fair price, I will take 2 bags. Could you throw in an extra lime for free? I am on a budget today, so I am looking for deals. Your prices are very competitive compared to the grocery store. Thank you for being so reasonable with the pricing. I will definitely come back to your stall next week. That is a bit more than I wanted to spend. Let us call it even and make the deal now. I appreciate your honesty about the quality of the goods. These look like very high-quality items for the price. I am satisfied with this purchase, thank you. Paying and finishing up. Here is the money, please keep the change. Do you have a paper bag to put these items in? Can I get a receipt for my records, please? I forgot to bring my own shopping bag today. Thank you so much for your help today. Have a wonderful day and good luck with your sales. I will definitely recommend your stall to my friends. Please wrap the fragile items carefully so they do not break. I am almost finished with my shopping list now. It has been a very productive trip to the market. I am looking forward to cooking with these fresh ingredients. My bag is quite heavy, so I should head home now. I will see you again when I need more supplies. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. That was a great bargain, I am very pleased. Socializing at the market. The weather is perfect for a market walk today. Do you come to this market often during the week? I love the energy and the community here. This is my first time visiting this specific market. There are so many unique items to discover here. I enjoy meeting the local farmers and artisans. The smells and sounds of the market are wonderful. It is great to see the town so active. I hope the weather stays nice for your sales. It is a pleasure to shop in such a friendly place. Practical grammar and daily practice. I am buying fresh fruits for my family. The market is located near the town centre. We enjoy walking through the colorful market stalls. She is looking for the best price today. He likes to bargain for his favorite goods. I always bring a reusable bag with me. The vegetables look very green and healthy. I am comparing the quality of the produce. They sell fresh milk at the dairy stand. I enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the market. I have found everything on my shopping list. The prices are better here than in stores. I prefer shopping where I can talk directly. We bought some flowers for the kitchen table. The vendor was very kind and very patient. I am happy with the items I chose. Market days are my favorite days of the week. I see many people enjoying their morning walk. The smell of fresh bread is very tempting. I will come back again very soon. Market vocabulary. I am searching for a ripe papaya today. These grapes are very juicy and sweet. Please weigh the potatoes on the digital scale. I need a bunch of fresh green cilantro. The garlic bulbs look very firm and fresh. Do you have any spicy green chilies here? I am looking for some local organic honey. Are these mushrooms grown locally in this area? The carrots have such a vibrant orange color. I need some onions for my evening dinner. The stall is overflowing with beautiful red tomatoes. Please pick the most colorful bell peppers available. I love the variety of nuts at this stand. Is this bread baked fresh early this morning? I enjoy the taste of handmade cheese here. These eggs are large and very fresh. I am planning to make a vegetable salad. The cucumber adds a nice crunch to food. Please add an extra lemon to my bag. The pumpkins are very large this year. I am buying some fresh ginger for tea. The lettuce is very crisp and quite green. Do you have any seasonal peaches for sale? The stall owner is very honest and kind. I value the freshness of these farm items. I am carefully choosing the best quality fruit. The market is a center of local life. I am filling my basket with healthy food. These potatoes are perfect for making home fries. I enjoy the simplicity of market shopping today. The selection of herbs is very extensive here. I need some mint leaves for my drink. The quality of these goods is quite impressive. I am learning the names of new vegetables. The market provides fresh food for our city. I am grateful for the hard-working farmers here. The color of the fruit is very attractive. I am selecting ingredients for a special recipe. These items are perfect for my weekly meal. I enjoy the friendly chats at the stalls. Every item at the market has a story. I am stocking up on my kitchen staples. The produce is stacked very neatly today. I feel healthy after buying these fresh goods. The market is always a very busy place. I am comparing the sizes of the apples. These fruits are grown without using harsh chemicals. I love the natural look of the market. I am planning my meals around these items. It is fun to find new cooking ideas. The market is my favorite place to visit. I am careful to pick the best fruits. These items are very affordable for my budget. I enjoy the walk between the many stalls. Every trip to the market is an adventure. I am supporting the local community by shopping. These vegetables are perfect for a healthy soup. I love the crunch of the fresh celery. The market makes me feel very connected here. I am always happy with my fresh haul. Additional market sentences, 151-300. I am looking for a firm head of cabbage. These plums have a very smooth, soft skin. Please pack the eggs in a protective box. I need a small bag of fresh green peas. These onions are great for adding deep flavor. The garlic is dried and very easy to store. Do you have any radishes at this specific stall? The color of these beets is very deep red. I am picking out the largest zucchini available now. Fresh produce tastes much better than store items. I enjoy the challenge of picking fresh fruit. The farmers are proud of their hard work. I am admiring the display of fresh seasonal berries. The market atmosphere is very relaxed and friendly. I am buying some apples for my school snack. These pears are perfectly soft and very sweet. I like the texture of the organic brown rice. The honey stall has several different floral varieties. I am curious about how the honey is processed. These olives are brined in a delicious mix. I need a bottle of local cold-pressed oil. The stall owner shares tips on storing food. I am grateful for the advice on cooking. The variety of bread is simply amazing today. I am choosing a loaf with many seeds. These tomatoes are grown in the local valley. I love how these greens brighten my plate. The market is a treasure of good health. I am learning to appreciate the changing seasons. These items are vital for my family's nutrition. I am always looking for the freshest local produce. The market connects me to the land's bounty. I enjoy the routine of weekly market shopping. These cherries are perfect for a summer dessert. I am picking some basil for my pesto. The fragrance of these herbs is very strong. I love to cook with fresh and local ingredients. The market stalls are arranged in long rows. I am exploring the different sections with curiosity. Every visit to the market is a learning experience. These potatoes are grown in the rich local soil. I am selecting the best produce for my soup. The freshness of these items is truly unmatched today. I appreciate the effort put into the harvest. The market is a hub of vibrant energy. I am buying some tea leaves from here. These fruits are at the peak of ripeness. I love the experience of choosing my food. The market is a celebration of our harvest. I am planning a delicious weekend meal now. I am choosing the darkest grapes in the bunch. These beans are snapped right from the garden. I need to make sure I have enough bags. The market owner greets everyone with a big smile. I feel inspired by the beauty of produce. These apples have a nice crisp and snap. I am admiring the craft of the woodworkers. The market offers a chance to meet friends. I need to buy a gift for my sister. These dried fruits make a very healthy snack. I am filling my kitchen with healthy life. The farmer's market is a place of community. I am excited to try this new fruit variety. These citrus fruits are very bright and tart. I am always happy to find local items. The market is a great way to start. I am weighing the bananas on the manual scale. These vegetables are very rich in iron today. I am enjoying the vibrant sights of morning. The market stalls show the seasons very well. I love the smell of the roasted nuts. I am choosing the smallest squash for soup. These greens are perfect for a healthy smoothie. The market encourages me to eat more plants. I am learning new recipes from the vendors. These spices add such a deep, rich flavor. I am grateful for the local food supply. The market is where I find real quality. I am stocking up for a family dinner. These items are the basis of my diet. I love how everything is neatly laid out. The market makes cooking feel like a craft. I am finding items I cannot get elsewhere. These goods are a testament to the farmer. I am happy to spend my Saturday here. The market is a peaceful place for walk. I am admiring the colors of the vegetables. These items will make a very healthy meal. I am looking forward to the next harvest. The market experience is very wholesome and good. I am gathering all the things I need. These vegetables are grown with lots of care. I love the rustic feel of the market. The market owner knows his produce very well. I am confident in the quality of goods. These fruits are sweet and very, very juicy. I am picking the most perfect red tomatoes. The market inspires me to eat very well. I am buying everything in its natural state. The market is the heart of our town. I am choosing the best berries for breakfast. These greens will be great for lunch today. I am enjoying the friendly talk with vendors. The market brings us closer to the food. I love the feeling of being very grounded. These carrots are perfect for a healthy snack. I am picking out the best possible items. The market makes me appreciate the very earth. I am grateful for the diversity of goods. These vegetables are full of energy and health. I am finding new favorite items every trip. The market encourages a sustainable life for us. I love the simple beauty of the stalls. These fruits are the perfect summer treat now. I am selecting the best produce for family. The market is where I find real connection. I am enjoying the colors of the day. These items are essential for my healthy life. I love to see the variety of goods. The market is a beautiful place for all. I am buying the best herbs for tea. These vegetables are very fresh and very crisp. I am enjoying the quiet morning market walk. The market brings fresh energy to my home. I am learning to appreciate the raw food. These fruits are sweet and very well grown. I am picking the finest items for dinner. The market inspires me to be very healthy. I am buying all the goods I need. The market is a staple of our town. I am choosing the best grapes for snack. These greens will be great for dinner now. I am enjoying the friendly chat with owners. The market brings us closer to nature now. I love the feeling of being quite local. These carrots are perfect for my raw juice. I am picking out the best local items. The market makes me appreciate the hard work. I am grateful for the variety here now. These vegetables are full of life and health. I am finding new favorite foods every trip. The market encourages a better life for us. I love the simple beauty of market stalls. These fruits are the perfect treat for us. I am selecting the best items for you. The market is where I find connection now. I am enjoying the bright colors today here. These items are essential for my good life. I love to see the fresh goods now. The market is a beautiful place for shopping.